Happy Hump Day, Lee Spurs. Today is Wednesday, May 13th, 2020, and I hope you guys are having a great day so far. If you guys are bookworms, I have some book recommendations for each grade. For kinder and first grade, you might enjoy the Pete the Cat series and the Fancy Nancy series. Second and third grade might enjoy the books by Roald Dahl, which include Matilda, the BFG, Fantastic Mr. Fox, and James and the Giant Peach. Second and third grade might also enjoy Wonder and Charlotte's Web. And lastly, moving on to fourth and fifth grade. Fourth and fifth grade might enjoy the Land of Stories series and the School for Good and Evil series. Well, I hope you guys have a great day.
The weather for today is a high of 84 and a low of 70, with highs in the 80s for the next couple of days.
Thank you to Arpit in G3, Anvi in R5, Darshini in P5, Ananya in P5, Nahir in P5, Ayushya in B4, Sachika in R5, Ashi in G4, Kanishka in Y5B, Naomi in B3, and Langston in Y4 for attempting at this week's puzzle. And congratulations to Arpit in G3, Anvi in R5, Nahir in P5, Ayushya in B4, Sachika in R5, Ashi in G4, Naomi in B3, and Langston in Y4 for correctly solving this week's puzzle. This week you had to look beyond just the numbers. You had to convert the number 7 into a word. Then remove the S from the beginning of the word, resulting in the word even. As you can see, this picture shows the word 7 and the removal of the letter S, resulting in the word even.
Good morning, Lee Spurs.
Good morning. Happy Wednesday.
We are so glad that you are here today. And I was just telling Miss Howard, we both have been wearing our blue light glasses because we've been on the computer so much. We're so happy to see you. And we've got lots to get ready for next week. Your teachers have been up at school this week, and they have been packing up your belongings for you because you are invited to come up to school next Monday and Tuesday. Do you want to tell them what houses get to come up next week and what days?
Yep. So on Monday, May 18th, we have Blue House from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. We have Green House from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. And we have Purple House from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Then on Tuesday, May 19th, we have Red House from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. And Yellow House is going to wrap it up from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. next Monday and Tuesday.
So what we're going to ask you to do on those days, just like when you picked up iPads, you need to have your name on a piece of paper, and the designers in your house will come to your car and they're going to go fetch a bag inside that has some of your school supplies, some of your personal belongings in it, maybe some notes from them or some things from your classroom, and they are going to put it in the trunk of your car. And while doing that, you're going to get to see all of the house designers from your color house. So you'll want to wear your spirit shirts on those days. You're going to want to stay in your car, but if you want to decorate your car with your house colors, you can totally do that. Your teachers are super excited to get to see you.
And we're super excited to see all of you too.
Yeah, we too will be outside waving and saying hello to you because we never got to say farewell before spring break. So we want you to start thinking about next Monday and Tuesday when you get to come up to school to pick up your belongings. Those of you that are having library books at home, we want you to put those library books in a Ziploc bag and bring those with you. Have them in your trunk or hand them to the teacher when they come to your window of your car, because we need to collect. We have over 3,000 library books in kids' homes. So if you do the math and you think about a library book could be maybe about $20 each, think about how much in library books we want to make sure to get back so other kids can read them.
Mm-hmm.
And there's a website that you can go on to in Destiny to see what books you have so you can check at home. If you had any books at school, your teachers are going to go ahead and turn those in for you. So lucky ducks. All right. Well, that's all for today. We look forward to touching base again on Friday, and we miss you.
Bye, guys.
This week's word of the week is responsibility. Responsibility means making the right choices to be reliable and dependable. The quote of the week is, hold yourself responsible for a higher standard than anyone else expects from you. Never excuse yourself, by Henry Ward Beecher. After we eat, we have to clean it up after ourselves thoroughly.
Our new state's flower is the common violet. The state nickname is the Ocean State. I have some amazing news. For the first time since we've started our Guess the State segment, everyone got it correct. Friday's state was Connecticut, and everyone who participated got it right, so congratulations to all of you. Don't forget to scan this QR code to tell me what you think the answer is. See you guys on Friday.
To Hobbies with Preeti. In today's video, I'm going to be exploring the world of joke telling. Today I've collected the top 5 most funniest jokes in my opinion that I think will really help tickle your funny bone. Let's get started. The first one is, why do we tell actors to break a leg? Because every play has a cast. The next one is, what do you call a pig that does karate? A pork chop. Why are leopards not good at hide and seek? Because they're always spotted. And the next one is, what's the best thing about Switzerland? I don't know, but the flag is a big plus. Lastly, why did the bicycle collapse? Because it was too tired. I hope these jokes helped you have a good laugh. Until next time, bye!
Spurs. Today for Lee Live, we're going to be doing some things that we've already done before, but since we need to keep exercising, it's okay. So for the first exercise, we are going to be jogging in place for a few seconds. So let's begin. Here we go. Okay, for the next exercise, we're going to be doing Frankenstein, which remember is where you put your leg up and you have to try and touch your toes. So let's begin. We'll do 10. Okay, and for the last exercise, we are going to be doing quick feet. If you remember that, it's just where you have to be very quick on your feet, and we're going to be doing that for 15 seconds. So let's begin. Okay, and that is these fun exercises, and make sure to do these exercises so that way you guys stay nice and healthy. That's it. Bye!
Well, thanks for tuning in to today's Lee Live. And don't forget to check out the talent show for Flipgrid so you can see all of our school's amazing talent. Well, we'll see you guys on Friday. Bye!